Hi, Kylie from Aero Kids. Today we're going to learn an aerial. Okay, now an aerial is an advanced skill. It's a cartwheel with no hands. So athletes who have mastered a cartwheel from a hurdle, are ready and raring, 100% confident, I want you to come with me as I take you through a few drills that can help you to achieve an aerial. Now, as I said, an aerial is an advanced skill, so please making sure that the surface we are performing these on, one, helps us. All right, we want to make sure we're putting ourselves in the best position possible to achieve this skill. So if you're able to access a gymnastics floor, a sprung floor, awesome. Okay, gymnastic mat's great. I'm on a grass area here, also hard sand down at the beach is going to be ideal. Safety first, okay? The second thing is, this is a skill that's not going to happen straight away. For some of you it may, and fantastic, good on you. But for others it's going to take a bit of time, and that's okay. Remember, we've all got dreams and goals, and let's set them so that they are realistic and achievable as well. All right, come with me. We've got a few drills to get through, but let's have a bit of fun with these, and best of luck. Okay, fantastic. Let's get straight into it. So obviously making sure you're already warm. So a bit of cardio, a bit of a stretch. Yeah, we want to make sure our body is completely ready and at the max where it needs to be to perform these next drills. All right, we're going to go straight into warming up our cartwheel first. Start with the basics, and we're going to build them up and up and up. All right, so I'm going to start facing the way I want to go. I love starting everything with my arms up by my ears. All right, it prepares me, makes me focused, and it makes me realize and understand everything is switched on. All right, I'm blocking already, my belly button is sucked in, I'm facing where I'm going to go. I'm going to do my cartwheel nice and strong, and I'm going to finish facing the opposite direction. Okay, so strong, blocking, blocking, blocking. And again, finish with your arms up. Okay, it prepares you for what's coming next. Let's do a few more of those, okay? Cartwheel, blocking. I'm going to do a few on my opposite side as well, so that both sides of my body are ready. Lots of push, making sure that when I hit the ground, I'm ready for it. Beautiful. Okay, so my drill number 2 is to perform my cartwheel now with a bit of speed. So adding a bit of a hurdle, and that's going to give me a bit of momentum. It's also going to be the same takeoff that I use for my aerial. So starting to train here and here to where we're going to go, okay? So just up a few steps. We don't need to do a massive run into this. Maybe 2 steps in a hurdle will be plenty. But make sure we maximize those, okay? So we're gonna go 1, 2, hurdle, cartwheel, and again, finishing with our arms up to our ears, blocking. It's important to understand the more momentum we create from this hurdle coming down and pushing off, the quicker, the more stronger that cartwheel phase is going to be, and it's only going to help with our aerial. Okay, so let's do one more. 2 steps, big hurdle, fast down, pushing. All right, beautiful. Let's do one more of those from a hurdle. Up, fast down, pushing off. A really strong push off from that hurdle. Okay, drill number 3. What I want you to start focusing on now is this takeoff. Okay, because obviously that momentum and that power is going to help us with our aerial. Okay, so what I want us to focus on now is the same up phase, the same down phase, but I want you to give yourself a bit of air time before your hands hit in your cartwheel. We're still keeping our hands on the ground, okay? We haven't taken them off yet, but we're just going to delay them getting to the ground. I'll see if you understand what I mean. Just watch me first, and then I'll talk you through it a bit more. So exactly the same takeoff. 2 steps into a hurdle, up, but delayed a little bit. So you're giving yourself a little bit of air time, getting used to that takeoff. Let's do a few more. Up, delay, and over. Good. And again, making sure you're ready when you hit the ground. Belly button, suck it in. One more time. 2 steps. Big hurdle, push, delay. Great. Step 4. Now we're going to work on the second phase of the cartwheel. Okay, we've worked on the delay in the first phase. Now we're going to work on taking our hands off in the second phase of a cartwheel. So going back to our 2 steps hurdle, hands on the floor quickly now, but we're going to get used to them coming off in that second part of our cartwheel. All right, again, watch me first and then come with me. So 2 steps, big hurdle, down and taking them off. Okay, now it's important that your arms need to know where to go. All right, and I know we've got so much to think about, so let's try to get them out. All right, from now, so that when we start doing our aerial, muscle memory, it already kicks in, okay? Let's go one more time. 2 steps hurdle, strong down, arms off. All right, awesome. One more. Strong, up, down, and out. Step number 5. We're gonna have a break from doing the cartwheel work now and just work on our active flexibility. So I find with aerials, flexibility is a massive key. Okay, the more flexible you are and the more dynamic and active that flexibility position is, yeah, the stronger, the more successful these are going to be. So really work on that. Kicks, needle points, yeah, all of those drills are going to be hugely helpful for this skill. So one we're going to work on now is just doing a few needle points, belly button on, starting your aerial as we've been practicing. Okay, let's slam our hands down, nose to our knee. Top leg lifts to the air, okay? And remember, we want to finish the same way we started, so let's do a few more. Slam it down, boom, beautiful. One more time, slam it down, boom. Excellent, because this position is going to be very similar to the takeoff for our area. Right, you can even try a few little drills from here, giving yourself a little bit of a spring. One more, giving yourself that spring. Okay, all right, how are we feeling? Let's try to put it all into practice now, and let's give our aerials a go. So how did you go? I hope you had some fun with me, and I hope you learned a few little tips along the way that helped improve your aerials. Keep practicing. Remember, practice makes perfect, and mistakes are great, okay? So don't be afraid of falling a few times, because practice makes perfect. Enjoy, have fun, take care.